nice to meet you. I'm Sohee. I'm an experienced online Korean teacher. And I just thought I'd send this video message to you because you seem to be learning Korean, and I'm actually working on something very exciting for Korean learners, and that's called the Insider Korean Club. The Insider Korean Club is for Korean learners internationally who want to study Korean on a consistent basis and speak Korean fluently one day while having fun along the way. Being a language learner can be lonely, challenging, overwhelming, and frustrating. That's why I've created the Insider Korean Club so that you can move forward and have the support, resources, and the accountability to help you in the community. Every month we'll be having around 5 lessons, so that's around like 1 lesson per week. And those lessons are mainly catered to beginners and intermediate learners. And if you really haven't started learning anything yet, we have a free workshop that focuses on teaching you how to pronounce the Korean alphabets first. No worries on that. We'll be focusing on one thing at a time, and you can progress without stress. And I thought I may as well let you know what we'll be covering in the lessons. Here are some of the topics that we will be doing: Korean pronunciation, Korean grammar, vocabulary, slangs and idioms, passage reading, dialogue, listening, writing practice, topic discussion, dictations, topic exam drillings, study tips, and study plannings. You get access to all the lesson recordings even though if you missed a lesson, but do understand that attending the class live will make a big difference as you can ask questions. Each month there will be a Q&A section as well as a networking party section where you can get all your Korean questions answered and get connected with other Korean learners. You're also welcome to find yourself a study partner through DMs. Remember, you don't have to be alone on this studying journey. We're all here for each other, so come and join us. The Insider Korean Club is still in its beta stage, meaning I'm recruiting the first group of students inside to test it out and to give me some feedbacks, but you will get the best prize in return. I'm only recruiting a very small group of students in for my first stage. If you are invited, I hope that you will join. You'll become one of the founding members with a limited spots of only under 50 members. This is the lowest price that you can possibly get, and the price will be doubled right after the spots are filled. If you would like to become a founding member, please head over to this link below to get early access to the club. After you're in, the only thing I ask from you is to fill out your profile with the guided questions given on the homepage. Share your Korean level and learning purpose on your profile so that I get to know more about your learning needs to provide the best membership that fits you. I would also appreciate any feedbacks and testimonials to invite more Korean learners into the community. Once you're in, you'll be able to find all the lesson time and topics on the homepage. Just click RSVP to let me know that you'll be attending the section when you're in. Link them with your Google Calendar so that you don't miss your class. If you'd like some one-on-one Korean online lessons or even a trial lesson with me, feel free to register them over here. Well, this is the beginning of something interesting, and I can't wait to see you in class and in the membership. Bye!